Now that you have access to a hub, follow these steps to create your first site. On your home page, click the blue Create New button, then select Project. The Create New Project dialog box will pop up. Populate it with the necessary information, then click Create. The Invite to Project dialog box will appear. Close it for now. You can manage project members later. Now we just want to get you into that site. In the left sidebar, under your hubs and projects, you will see that your newly created project is selected and you are now on the project overview page. Go to the Create in this project section below your project title and select Site. On the globe, find your site either by scrolling or by using the address bar to type in the site address or coordinates. On the map, zoom in or out to define your map area, then click Confirm Map Area. In the Order Data window, click on a dataset tile to find out what it brings to your canvas. We recommend trying the free package Starter Pack for your first time, which includes buildings and roads. Then click Order. Close the Order Data window, then wait for your canvas to load. On your generated canvas, hold the right mouse button to orbit around and locate your site. Hide your buildings layer if you need to by clicking the eye symbol next to your layer's name. Press the S key on your keyboard. You will notice your cursor has turned into a pen. Manually draw your site limit and press Enter when you are done. Go back to your buildings layer to unhide it. Now your site is ready and you can start designing.